Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my personal affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger, link in the description. Using my link will definitely support me create more content like this, so thank you for your help. If you use my link, you can also contact me at my email address to help you with setting up your website. Once you're inside Hostinger website, go to hosting from the top, click on web hosting, scroll down a little bit. As you can see, they offer three web hosting plans. The premium web hosting plan is what I recommend for the majority of beginners or business owners with websites with moderate traffic. You get 1 gigabyte of NVMe storage, which is faster than the SSD. You also get free SSL, free email, and also automatic weekly backups, and of course a free domain name. I see that these features are enough for the majority of beginners. Let's move. With the business plan, you get more storage, more monthly visits, and also automatic daily backups instead of weekly ones. You also get free CDN, which gives you better uptime and also fast loading speeds. The cloud startups gives you better monthly visits and also a dedicated IP address and priority with the customer support. Let's say you want to start with the premium. Click on choose plan below it. Now select the hosting duration you want to subscribe for. For example, 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free, and also the renewal price per month is a little bit affordable compared to 2 years or just 1 year. Now head down. As you can see, the name, your information like the first name, last name, phone number, and your city and country are all optional. You can skip them. What you need to enter are your credit card information, the name, the numbers, the date and years, and the CVC code. If you want to pay with your PayPal, just you can select it like that and click on submit secure payment. Now click on PayPal checkout. Select the credit card you want to pay with. Click on agree and pay. You will be redirected to Hostinger website. For this question, you can skip it like that. Now click on create a new website, or you can skip it if you want. Now claim your free domain. Fill in your domain name idea. In my case, I went with benstestinghostinger.com. Click on search. As you can see, my domain idea is available. So click on continue. Now fill in your domain name details like your first name, phone number, email address, and your address, and also country. Now select your server location. It is better to select a location that is near the majority of your website traffic in order to get faster loading speeds. Click on finish setup and wait a moment. You are now ready. You can go to your control panel. And this is how to buy a hosting from Hostinger. One last important step in order to not lose your new domain name is to confirm your email address. Just go to your email inbox, open the email from Hostinger, and click on the verification link. Now click on the green button, and this is how to verify your email address to not lose your domain name. Thank you for watching. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like,